Hey guys, the Rage here. So wife and I went to shopping, and we saw this collar, and she wanted it, but it was a better deal on Amazon, so we got it on Amazon, or I got it for her. This is Hello Bubble, and it's rose pink. So it's a mousse, which is a collar that comes. You have this package here. Let's see what's in the box. You got like a nice pump thing. You have this O2 container. Actually, number 2 container. Number 1 packet. They're all numbered. Some nice instructions with some gloves. And another number 3 packet. And the instructions tells you how to mix these things. And what color your hair is gonna look. So it depends what color your hair starts with, as you can see it over here. My wife starting like this, so it should look like this. So she's very excited to try it. I already showed it to her, but I was like, wait, let me make a video first. So she's gonna try it, and I'll show you guys the result. But it's super simple to use. You mix these things in the right combination. You put this into here, you shake it and it turns into a mousse you put in your hair, then you wash it with your normal shampoo and conditioner, and it's done. Hopefully she'll like it, and then we'll keep getting this. But this is everything that comes in the box, and the instructions, even though this is it comes with nice stuff, probably like a thing for your hair. Nice instructions in English, which is nice. And you can tell the instructions over here are very detailed. I am not gonna read through this because my wife will make sure will read it. As always, you want to make sure you're testing a part of your skin. Make sure you don't have any allergies to any ingredients or anything like that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You won't see me with pink hair anytime soon. Hopefully, take care. Bye.